Hey everyone, it's Chike Inoma with eXp Realty, and I would like to welcome you to my newest listing at 3145 Autumn Hill Crescent, located in Burlington, Ontario. This beautiful semi-detached home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a finished basement, and a fully renovated kitchen with new appliances. You guys are gonna love it. Why don't you come on in and I'll show you around. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions or if you'd like a personal tour of the home, please don't hesitate to reach out. My contact information is below. Hope you have a great day.